Hello, and welcome back to Tractors and Such. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to paint some on the Sears here, on the 67 Sears Suburban 10. So as you see, we done got some orange done. And we're going to put another coat on some parts here or there. And we are working on some engine parts, like the starter generator belt pulley that goes on the flywheel, the screen that goes on here, and that holds the this holds the starter, the belt cover. And here are some parts here. This is the belt cover that covers the belt. The reason why these are in plastic because a little over a year ago we got these sandblasted. And this is the engine cover. Got to cut some wire here so we can hang them up. I'm glad it finally warmed up here so I can get some painting done. These are just the last few parts we got to prime. Then we'll get to the frame. Okay, so well, we've got the first coat on the frame done, and we just painted the inside of the dash because I don't really want to break that steering wheel. And it's easy, and plus the outside, the part that's taped off, it's got paper on it, is it's white. And the orange paint here, the paint that we're using here is it's a Rust-Oleum spray can. It's real orange. So that's the kind of orange we're using. So we've got the dash painted. Now we're working on the wheels. Okay, so well, now I need to go ahead and take this motor apart. Not the motor itself, but so we can paint it, like the carburetor, this part of the throttle. I'll leave this on because I don't want to mess with the governor. Probably the rest of the shrouds off. Okay, so we've matched off the front of the part because of the ignition system, and this ignition system so far works, and you can't get them no more, but it works. I don't want to disturb any of that. And what else we've done, we just taped off the part of this exhaust because I don't want to change the position of it, this pulley, because I don't want to change the alignment. And we also taped off the oil dipstick and taped off the aluminum head also, because I got an aluminum head and I kind of like the color of it. And got all the shrouds off. They're in the box. I gotta clean them up. So we're getting ready to move this over there and start priming it. Okay, so we've got the motor primed. Okay, so it's been maybe a few weeks later since we done the painting on this Sears right here. And I'm just now getting at the point to do some video footage of this. So what we've done here is we've got the wheels painted, and I think they look good. I mean, this is on a budget. And that's the mill drive pulley. That's what engages your mowing deck, and that's in here. That's going to be white, and it's painted white. Here's the starter generator. It works and everything. I painted it black. Here's the motor. We finally got it painted. And here's some of the little parts, like the tins, the throttle, the wheel caps, the air breather and stuff. And I think I showed this earlier. So yeah, so the next thing we're going to move on is to the transmission. So yeah, we're going to end it here with the painting sequence. And thank you for watching another video of tractors and such. Please consider to like and subscribe. And also, we're going to continue on with this. It might be a little bit, but we're trying to do it as best as we can. And now we'll go with Paul to the devotion.
Tonight's devotion is Genesis chapter 6, beginning at verse 9. These are the generations of Noah, and Noah was a just man and perfect in his generation, and Noah walked with God. And Noah begot 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The earth also was corrupt before God, and the earth was filled with violence. And God looked upon the earth, and behold, it was corrupt, for all flesh had corrupted his ways upon the earth. And God said unto Noah, the end of all flesh is come before me. For the earth is filled with violence and through them, and behold, I will destroy them with the earth. Make thee an ark of gopher wood. Room shalt thou make in the ark, and thou shalt pitch it within and without with pitch. And this is the fashion which thou shalt make of it. The length of the ark shall be 300 cubits, the breadth of it 50 cubits, the height of it 30 cubits. A window shalt thou put in the ark, and a cubit shalt thou finish it above. And the door of the ark shall be set in the side thereof. With lower and second and third stories shalt thou make it. And behold, I will, even I, do bring a flood of water upon the earth, to destroy all flesh therein in the breath of life. from under heaven, and everything that is in the earth shall die. But with thee will I establish my covenant, and thou shalt come into the ark, thou and thy sons, and thy wife, and thy son's wife with thee. And every living thing of all flesh, 2 of every sort shalt thou bring into the ark, to keep them alive with thee. They shall be male and female, of the fowls after its kind, and cattle after its kind, and every creeping thing on the earth after its kind. 2 of every sort shall come into thee, to keep them alive. And take thou unto thee of all food that is eaten, and thou shalt gather it to thee, and it shall be for food for thee and for them. Thus did Noah, according to all that God commanded him, so he did. Thank you for watching Kate's video this evening. See you on the next posting.